Hey everybody, what's up? So I'm back again with another review, and today, just like my other 1,000 videos, I'm going to be looking at the Jlab product, but today it's going to be the Jbuds Airsport. So for those who know, my daily driver that I've been using for a long time now are the Jbuds Air True Wireless Icon series. The Icon series have more battery life. There are two versions of these, and these are my favorite. I use them every day. They never let me down. Battery charges super quick. Maybe in like 30 minutes you can have a full charge with no issues. And let's go ahead and take a look at these. So I picked these up because even though I do love my Icon series, they're not that great when it comes to working out. Sometimes they do fall out. You know, you sweat when you're running. There's a lot of vibration, you're running and things like that. So I thought I'd give these a try. So these say that 40 plus hours of battery time. But for those who watch my other reviews know that usually when there are more hours of playtime, it doesn't necessarily mean their earbuds have 40 hours of playtime. With Jlab earbuds, usually the earbuds have 6 hours of battery life, and then they just crank up the battery life of the case. So let's take a look down here. Alright, so it has 8mm drivers. So battery says right here is 40 plus hours total. So you see here 6 hours in earbuds, 60 milliamp hour battery per bud, and at medium volume. So if you put any higher volume than that, you will not get the 6 hours that they claim that you'll get. And then 34 plus hours charging in the case. So you get your 6 hours from the earbuds and then the 34 plus from the case, which has a 930 milliamp hour battery. So for reference, so these are the Icon series, and same thing. Alright, so 24 hours total, 6 hours in earbuds, 60 milliamp hour per earbud, and then medium volume, and then 500 milliamp hours. So basically this one here has, the case has 400 more milliamp hours batteries in it. That's about it. But the earbud will not by itself last you 40 plus hours. These will last you 6, and then you can put in the case to charge. Alright, so let's open this up. So just like all the other ones, they do have little seals, like a case within a case, I guess. Oop. Rip in the box. Alright, so that's the first seal, and then there's another one down here. Usually what I do is I just push it down and it comes off by itself. Alright, so this is just a little cover. All of them have it. That's on top of the actual box. So this is the actual box right here. This is where all the writing is and everything. So if you look on here, it gives you instructions on how to control it. Each earbud does different things based on how you touch it. So the left sensor, volume down, right up. To change the track, but you see it says press and hold for 1 second. So it gives you instructions on how to use it on the box. So always make sure to have the box close by, or just memorize it so you don't have to have it with you. But once you know how to use it, it's pretty self-explanatory. So we're gonna open up the box. Alright, so they always have this little clear cover. I'm not sure why, but they always have it. Alright, so we're gonna take it out of here. This case is actually pretty huge. I guess because of the size of the actual earbuds, they have to make it a little bit bigger, I guess. So I'll put that to the side for now. And then let's see what else is in this box. So in the box, don't throw this away, because in here where it says Jlab are your little earpieces on there. Everybody has different size ears, so you know, always make sure you take a look in here just to make sure you get the proper one. These are called like their cloud earpiece, or they have like this foam that like I don't know, changes with your ear, so it fits perfectly in there. These are great. They're just terrible to clean. So if you have any earwax in your ears, make sure to clean it out, or just always make sure to check these, or they'll turn weird green color. And then there's a booklet with all the instructions and everything. So this is just an unboxing video. I'm not really going to go into depth about it, but it also tells you how to, you know, fit it properly in your ear to get maximum quality, and also iOS commands and how to use them. So I'm going to put these back in the box, and we're going to go back to the actual thing. So for those who don't know, my last video reviewed the Earbuds Executive Series, which are, I guess, a premium version of the Jlab products, which uses like a vegan leather. But this actually goes back to the plastic that the Icon series use. Actually, let me get mine so I can show you. I should have planned this out better. Got it. Alright, so right here, so for size comparison wise, this one is huge. You can sit the whole earbud on there. And when you open it, has a hinge. It's really well made, and it's plastic. It feels sturdy, and the hinge actually just clicks. So it actually feels more premium than the vegan leather one they were using for the Executive Series, which I actually returned because they just weren't for me. So we're gonna take a look at this. So yep, just like the Icon series right here, they have a little clicking hinge. So when you use it, it's actually feels good. And when you need to use it, just open it and do whatever. It does have the gold accents like the Icon series, which I thought were only exclusive to Icon series products, but I guess they use them for other ones too. These are touch sensitives. They're not actually buttons, so just keep that in mind. So these are the earbuds right here, and we're just gonna take them out. Oh, so for the case, let me see. So these lights right here actually show you the case's battery level. So the 3 dots means it's full, but they have to be white dots. If there's a blue dot that's glowing like this, that means the earbud in here is charging. So if it's glowing blue on this side, that means this side is charging. If it's glowing blue on this side, that means this side is charging. The middle one never glows. It's just there really to display the battery level for the case itself. All right, so this is it. So this is just an unboxing, so we can take a look at it. I'll go more into detail in another video. So it looks like it has a cover to prevent it from overcharging or something. So let me put that back in. What happened with this one? Oop. Oh, it slid out when I put it back in. But that's it. I'm gonna listen to these headphones, tell you some pros and cons, and make another video and tell you guys what I think. Thank you.